This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 24 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, which introduces the scale and arpeggio of E major. The worksheet provides some important illustrations of fingerings, exercises and the usual practice plan which guides you through your daily drill. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. E major has 4 sharps in its key signature: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp and D sharp. When crossing the break, you can only use the right hand fingering for B and the left hand fingering for C sharp because of the D sharp, which can only be played with the right hand. The same pattern of fingerings will be used at the bottom of the scale for E, F sharp and G sharp. This probably makes the scale a bit easier to learn. The fact that you have to move between C sharp and D sharp in the bottom register can cause some awkwardness of coordination. Exercise 40 will help you develop a smooth action. Here is the scale of E major for 2 octaves. In the arpeggio of E major, bottom E is followed by G sharp, which can only be played with the right hand. This means that you must start on the left hand fingering for E. Some care is needed here, as by now you have probably got used to pressing down the right hand F or C key at the same time as pressing this key. In many instances this is good practice, but not here, as your right 5th finger needs to be free to move to G sharp. When crossing the break to B, you can revert to the right hand fingering. This is best practiced with these 5th finger keys wherever possible when playing arpeggios. Exercise 41 will help you learn in the correct fingerings for this arpeggio. Here is the arpeggio of E major for 2 octaves. Complete practice plan 24 carefully and don't forget to tick the boxes as a record of what you have done before you move on to lesson 25.